you for calling. This is Michael. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly whom I am speaking to.
Mr. Gab Ortiz.
May I spell out your name?
Yes, please.
Did I get your name correct?
Yes.
May I know your contact details?
0916-749-4597.
Thank you, sir. When do you have your reservation, sir?
Today,
For how many people, sir?
for 2,
What time do you want your reservation is?
6 p.m.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 31, 2024, for 2 person only, in the non-smoking area. Under your name, Mr. Gab, with the contact number of 0916-7494-597. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to request, sir?
None.
Mr. Gab, thank you for patronizing Cafe Amante Restaurant. We looking forward to welcoming you.
Okay, thanks.